how to change date and time on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the time and the date on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to open up the settings, and we could do that by swiping up, and then in the list of apps here, just find and select settings. Once in settings, just scroll down a little bit. What we're looking for is system, select system, and then in system, scroll down again to system management, and you'll see date and time. So in here, by default, it'll be automatic date and time, and that's where it's going to use the internet or your cellular provider to automatically figure out what the date and the time is. If you want to be able to change it manually, turn off automatic date and time, and then you can select the date that you want it to be, select OK, and the time that you want it to be. So you just pick anything you want. And then there you go. As you can see, the time updated, and it now says it's Tuesday the 4th rather than the 8th. Once you've changed the date, you can close the settings app, and you have now manually changed the date and time on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.